Hello everyone, this is Tumi, a founder of Infinity Thinker and infinitythinker.com. I'm excited for being here, and I'm going to share with you an interesting topic in life. The topic is all about success is predictable. Success is predictable. Let's start with the question. Why success is predictable? For us to answer that question, we'll have to go through a certain step. We'll go back to answer that question in fully. Let's start by talking about being successful. Successful is when you reach your vision. Your vision is directly proportional to your success. Success is rooted from the goals with a clear why in your mind. You must have a clear vision in your destination in life, your story to tell, your purpose in life, the reason why you're alive. Your success is held behind your attitude. Before you can change the world, before you can be success, you need to change your life first by altering your mind with changing the attitude of the mind. To be successful in life, you need to start by answering the most two important questions. What and how? Number one, what do you want? How do you get it? To answer those two questions, you need to be clear on the following. You need to have a mentor. You have to have an awareness. You have to have a blueprint and take action. Let's start with the mentor. Why mentor? People do not know what they don't know. People don't know what they don't know. The right mentor will take you through the path of things you don't know. Until you know what you don't know, you will never succeed in life. We have data, we have information, we have knowledge at our disposal, but the fact of the matter, we don't know how to use it. So the right mentor will give you a wisdom. A wisdom is when you can assimilate and apply knowledge that you have to make the right decision and get reliable, repeatable result. Success is when you get the results to fulfill your freedom. What is freedom? Freedom is fueled by money, and money is a sign of result. In any kind of business, money is a sign of result. So we can say result is equals to money. Result is equals to money, and money is equals to freedom. Since money is equals to freedom, your freedom will be directly proportional to your success. I repeat, your freedom will be directly proportional to your success. So, mentor will take you through steps to achieve your freedom. Success is rooted from the principle. That is the main important things. Success is predictable. Success is a math, is a mathematics. One of the best tools needed for success is repetition. Mentor will guide you through to expand your awareness, following the right blueprint and impress taking massive action to become the best of what you are doing. For any predictable result, the most important thing is to follow one successful mentor at the time with the approved blueprint to follow the right awareness with the clear steps. Let's go to the next step. Awareness. How awareness is going to work? Is going to help you to apply the knowledge. How? Start by answering the most important question among the two, which I've said, what do you want? What do you want is the question. What do you want? Identify exactly what do you want, your specific destination, and you need to have your own custom game plan which will fuel what you want. What do you want? That's the question. You need to arise beyond the clouds and ask yourself the question, what do you want? And be very specific. That's when now your mentor is needed here to show and guide you to reprogram your current paradigm so that you can break through the natural territory. That is the wall or the clouds which caused death, fear, anxiety in your life. Then from there you need a blueprint. How do you operate? It's a blueprint. Having a right awareness, you can answer the second question. How to get it? The second question. How to get it or how to get there? Blueprint is a perfect answer to this second question. How to get it or there? When you introduce to the right blueprint, you will be able to follow the right steps. Each successful mentor has a proven winning blueprint in the form of steps. Your custom plan is hiding in the blueprint you need to follow. The mentor will present with the step-by-step to follow in the form of the blueprint. Different mentors, they are using different steps. You will find some, they will say 3 steps to freedom. Others will say 5 steps to freedom. Others will say 7 steps to freedom. Even 10 steps to freedom. Only important thing, when steps are clear and articulated, you will be able to follow those steps without hustling. Then after you have been introduced and understand those steps, you need the last part, which is action. Remember, nothing becomes something by itself. You need to take action. You can't be neutral. It's either you act or not act. Action or no action. Taking a massive action is like a plane on a runaway, getting a momentum before it can take off. That's what is needed. You need to take a massive action unconditionally because the best at you are doing to get what you want in life. A massive action consists with ability to do what need so that you can put things in perspective. Let's back to the original question. Why success is predictable? Life operates in principles. Principles are creators' automations. Principles do not change. Principles do not have feelings. They do not care who you are. All principles governed by the law of nature. They are principles and law which govern success. Once you understand and apply it correctly, success will be there by default. Example, a tree does not have to try to grow. It grows by default because a tree created to grow. So, as a human being, human creator create human for achievement. Do you know that we are created for achievement? Do you really know that we are created for achievement? If you violate any principle that governs success, you will pay by the price. You will pay the price. The price will affect you, either positive or negative, either successful or fail, either direct or indirect. It is no such thing like, there is no such thing like neutral in success. You have to act. Either you act or you don't act. We have awareness. Remember, have awareness which is rooted from the principle which governs success. We have the right blueprint to follow by taking a massive action. Success will come by default. Success is a mathematics. You need the right formula to apply it so that you get a predictable result. Indeed, success is predictable. So what is success? You have to